bridge apparatus. This is used for the find the value of the unknown capacitor. In Schering bridge we have used the basic formula. This is the 4 arms P, Q, R, S. Here is the detector. Here is the input sine wave signal from here. This is the signal, inbuilt signal over here. Here is the variable condenser C2 as we shown here, and this is the P value and Q resistance value. Here is the both commonly make the value of the C1. Digital null detector. Digital null detector can read the value from here, and we have given some unknown capacitor, and you can use your own capacitor also. Now I will show you V1 as per the manual. You have to connect. Here we have given the procedure how to connect as X2 to X3, X4 to X5, X2 to X6 to phasors, and every small things and every thing is written in the procedure. We have connected firstly signal, unknown. All the dotted lines you have to connect it somewhere as per the written. Here is the connection for short circuiting circuits. All these procedures are written in the manual. Where is to where connected, so X5 is connected to A4, B7 detector, because it is AC signal, you can connect here to here, no problem. Now patching is complete as per the manual and procedure. Now working. Here we give the P and Q arm as 1000 and 1000. So 2 arms is the in equal position, equal ratio. This is the known arm we can calculate, and this is unknown arm. If these are equal, then when the bridge is balanced, this arm value is equal to the unknown capacitance. Set this value around 15 volt peak to peak. This is the very small value in PF. Later we have used. Switch on the instrument, and this will give you some value. Now try to balance with these arms. This is the value 0.01. Suppose we have to put this here, then 0.01 into 1. The value is the 0.01 microfarad. Now 0.02 microfarad, and same thing 0.1 microfarad. Now 0.1 microfarad, 0.2 microfarad, and the total value of the C1 is, here is the 0.2 and here is the 0.02. The value is after addition 0.22. Now it is increases here. We have to balance it, the value where it will. Now here is, now try to lower value, where it increases, then this. Wait for some time. Here is the, we have resonance point, means suppose we have to move here, then it will increases here, the back position, it is lower value, again increases from that point, then again it will increases, so that it means this is the resonance point. Now the value of the 0.03, and here is the 0.1. The value is the 0.13. Here is the calculated value, and unknown 0.108, and we have get for this piece 0.13.